Hey, this is Bill from Vac Lab, and today got a Kirby G6 and a dirt meter and a clean pad. I'm going to vacuum some mattresses. Let's see how much dirt we can pull up from this thing. Kirby doesn't recommend that you turn the tech drive on. I normally do, but let's see how well it works. Hopefully it won't be too skippy. Okay, so it's too skippy. Alright, so with the tech drive on, you could see it got a little skippy, so I turned it back off. With my G4, it doesn't skip, but with the 6, it looks like it skips a little bit. I'm going to give you a different angle view now. Alright, here we have a top view. I'm going to leave the tech drive off because it definitely gets too skippy with the 6. Alright, so you can see what's coming up there. So now I'm going to give you a third view. View number 3. So we've done this bed many times at many different angles, and this is what we got. So that's not bad. That's several months, actually, worth of dirt. not a whole lot. So pretty clean. Thanks for watching.